Hello folks, Mr. Raven here and welcome back to KSP, aka Kerbal Space Program. So I managed to land this time with all the science, which is good. I know much of this didn't have any at all, but let's just take it anyways, just because, well, we can. No. Take surface just a little bit. So let's get back. I think the plan for the day must be to do a slingshot around the moon. Or the moon. But let's see what we can get. There was one I thought I might get. This one. It gives us maneuver planner, so we can plan our maneuver before we do it, which is essential, actually. Then we can see where we're going before we actually go in. So I think I'm gonna take that one. That's 90 science. Then I'm a little tempted to get this one, mostly because it has solar panels. And then we can carry a little less batteries. So I'm tempted by that one. This one also gives us some more powerful engines. But actually mostly I kind of want to get some bigger fuel tanks. I think I'm gonna go with this one. So let's try and design a new rocket here. So how are you guys enjoying the series here? I definitely like making them. So I hope you like it. That's for sure. Otherwise, we are probably going to get Alpha 20 of 7 Days to Die soon. The devs are starting to do like developer streams of 20. So yeah. But if you'd like me to continue this, also as a another playthrough, please let me know down in the comments, because I really like Kerbal. I am not the best at Kerbal or the greatest or anything. I'm actually just, average, trial and error kind of guy. So yeah. Okay, let's see here. We should make this a Mark 4. And we might... No, let's wait till we'll get like a lander on this. Then it could be like I don't know, something bigger than a fleet. I don't know. A trash can. No. Do we have the actually we could probably do this the 2-man capsule now. Oh, should we do that? Yeah, let's just do that. Then we can carry a scientist and a pilot, which is not a bad idea. So let's do this as bare bone as possible. Kind of want to get like where to put where to put this. At some point I'm probably going to design more elaborate rockets and stuff. So maybe that will be like one video designing it and then another video doing the mission kind of thing. But for now, I think we can do all that we want in one go here. Blam. The plan here is to go, does this one have a blader? I can't remember. It does. No. It doesn't. Or doesn't appear to. So where are you? Could also put some lights on. Let's wait. Okay, it is this one. That's the small one, so that's not a good one. Okay, that's even smaller. So, oh crap. So we don't have a heat shield that's big enough for this guy. Do we have any? We could actually maybe just do like that. And then just empty this. I think that should be fine. Doesn't look great. We can fix that. Press C. Pull it down a little bit like that. It should be fine. But I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Hopefully. Yeah. So let's put a decoupler. Like so. Then we need a thingamabob. Then we need another thingamabob. Actually, we could put fuel in this one. It should be fine. It should be cross V between these parts and an engine maybe. So let's do another. We need science. That's the thing. That's the thing. Let's do Science Junior. I wish I had. Don't think I have. No, I don't. So let's put an engine on that instead. Maybe just a small fuel tank here. Just to get like. Just to be sure. We can always transfer stuff. Then the small Materia engine and maybe go like a little unpolished. Yeah, like that. I like that. And then we should probably, and it's not gonna be pretty because we don't have any auto strutting. I think that's a thing we have to unlock. So let's do like a little bit of strutting here to there. Maybe just do like a two-way. Like that. It's not gonna be pretty, but it's gonna make it stable. That's what I'm going for. A little bit stable. Then we need some power. So let's put some solar panels. Let's put them there. Then copy and put it there. So we should be able to have a little bit of power. Regeneration. Let's see, that's 200. That's 100. Maybe go like turn around. Ugh, I can't see if it's right. It shouldn't really matter, but it's not quite quite straight. Yeah, it is. It's just because it's off-centered. That's cool. Let's do it like that. Some more science. Science. Let's just do a little bit of everything. A couple of goo containers. And we actually have to fly, EVA fly down and get stuff. Because we don't have a easy access. But that's fine. That's fine. Because we have to, when we get near moon and far away from moon, so we need at least 2 of these. But if I put 2 in, it's going to be too big. And we actually need to pick up all the signs because we are actually dumping this service module thingy. And I think, is that with this up here? It actually is. It's kind of weird it has more. Oh, I think it's actually not counting this one. Well, I can transfer the fuel. I was just wondering why this number went up when I empty this one up here. But that's because then it's not weighing anything, and I think this tank down here is the only fuel it's getting. We could, if we had it, we could do, I think we can transfer. Well, maybe we should test it. Yeah, let's just quickly test fly this. We shouldn't be able to take off with this one. So we could just check it out. Test flying. So if we go like that and say out. Yeah, we can move the fuel. Cool. I thought it would do it automatically. But maybe that's also like a thing we need to research actually. They have changed a lot in the game since last time I played this. Which is fine, but it's a lot of stuff we don't know. Let's see here. This one is 45. This one is 72. So if we have like, we should have plenty. The plan is that this thing, after we use the next stage to push us towards the moon, this should be enough to get us back. More than enough. Actually, I think we can do. If we just do another stage getting us to orbit, this thing should be able to get us a slingshot around the moon. Or the moon. So, yeah. Yeah. I think it's fine. Let's give it a decoupler. Like so. Let's keep all of the ablator and try to remember to check. Because now that we're coming back from moon, we can actually see how much ablator we're using when we have the velocity when we get back from the moon. So let's quickly do a little bit. How big is this tank? Let's try and do. Yeah, let's try and do it in one go here. Let's go 3 of you. And then. No, none. How big is this compared to? Actually, I think let's go 3. No, 4 of these. I can't strut it though. So maybe it's gonna be a little bit unstable. Let's put the one that has gimbal. Like so. It gives us a little bit too little It's fine. Then let's do some control, extra control. Let's do tree of view. Then let's take a decoupler. Let's reduce that to 1. Because I just want to design this first. Are you straight? Yeah. And then a little thingamabob. Do we have any? No. Not yet anyway. So we can take that down a little bit. But before we do that, let's strut it. Let's just strut it in the top. Should be fine. And let's multiply this by 3. Let's try and put this like that. Let's put that there, and then let's limit the thrust here to... Let's limit it to 1/6. No, let's limit it a little more because these are burning out quick. So like that. Is that enough? I don't know. Let's see if it's enough. Let's make sure we had the scientist. Need the scientist. Like so. The staging is fine. Let's see how it goes. Maybe I speed things up a little bit here in flight. Mostly because, yeah. See, we got the maneuver planner now. That's awesome. Do we have... Not that one. Utility. The utility is not super important, but it's good to have. Because we can set a limit of an acceleration of 16 meters per second. Right, and we also have an auto deploy zone, then it's fine. Auto station, we can put that in too. Then let's set this to surface. Give it like a 5 degree already. Roll on 0. Oh, 3, 2, 1. Oh, maybe we should close this one actually. And lift off. Slowly but surely. Oh, thrust limit. Acceleration limit. Okay, cool. Where's our speed? Our speed is about 15 meters per second square. Let's alter this to 75. Seem like we have a sturdy craft. I actually forgot to put lights on this as I wanted it. Okay, it's starting to throttle down automatically. That's good. This is not fast enough. This is definitely not fast enough. We are going to Mach 1. Let's hit like, I don't know, 8,000 maybe. Okay, we don't have any gimbaling now because the liquid fuel engine is not even using any fuel now. Let's execute that. 45 degrees. Let's get ready for the next one. 25 degrees. Getting okay high. Don't know if that's enough. don't think that's going to help us. Okay, we pushed it up, so we have an apoapsis of 73 kilometers. So let's try and say circularize apoapsis and create node. Don't have enough fuel to get to orbit. Well, we can get to orbit, but I don't think we have enough fuel to get to the moon. So let's revert flight back to assembly. Let's go with 4 instead of 3. So we got an extra. Let's increase this to 50. So it's on 50% on that one. Let's close this one before we save. And let's try that again. Can I? Ooh, maybe not. Well, I was trying to skip time. So it was in the morning, but yeah, time warped too far. But at least we got all the power we need, so it's not really a problem. Let's get the manure planners already up. I mean, well, got everything up actually. Never mind. Let's see if we can do this. Let's start on a 10% actually this time. Let's go. Okay, we should be able to get into orbit now. We're actually gonna have a little extra fuel in the main booster, but if we use it, we're gonna leave it in orbit. And yeah, I'm not sure I want to do that. But before we ditch it, let's just get into orbit and quick save. Because if we can't get to the moon without it, then we kind of have to. So let's quickly get there. Okay, so let's kill rotation and let's quick save. And then let's retrograde. And let's put this in a trajectory out of orbit, going into the dark side of the planet. We're actually nearing a good place to go to the moon. Oh crap. Would you please? Thank you. Let's put it a little bit up. We are in where it is. 47. I want to use as little as possible of the extra fuel we have. So let's get that up a little bit like that, and then let's get up to a stable orbit. There. Okay. So the easiest way to get to the moon is kind of like trying to find the place where the moon is right. You can just see the moon right there. So we actually passed the opportunity. So if you put this we should be able to do this. Otherwise, just put a maneuver here and then raise the orbit. Then see, this is a slingshot trajectory. The orange one is the one we're going to follow after we do the burn.